How to fix the virus and threat protection not working or showing on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to show where the virus and threat protection lies, you have to open your Windows security. For this, simply tap open the settings on your Windows 11. Then tap on security or Windows security and you should see virus and threat protection. However, if you're unable to see so, here are some troubleshooting methods. To get started with, open your command prompt and run it as administrator. Here are few commands that you need to give on, which is given on the screen as well as the description box. Make sure to copy and paste each of these commands and then restart it. Likewise, again open the command prompt and use DISM online cleanup image restore health and SFC scan now. This will scan for the corrupted files and try to rectify it. However, this might take a while, so you have to wait until it is completely scanned. Till then, let's start with another solution. For this, open your registry editor. For opening registry editor, you can either search for the registry editor on the search bar or simply search regedit.msc on your screen. Once that is done, you will see interface of registry editor. Hereby, first of all, you have to search for computer folder, under which search for HK local machine. Then search for system folder, then go to current control set. And then search for services folder. Under this, go to WSC SPC and change the startup value from 2 to 0. After this, restart your computer and then your issue should be probably fixed. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.